In this experiment, we will take a dry kishmish and a beaker full of normal water, and we will add the dry kishmish to the beaker. You know that kishmish contains sugar in it, so the kishmish is high concentration, whereas the normal water is low concentration. After a period of 1 hour, you can observe that the kishmish has increased in size. This is because the water from the beaker has moved into the kishmish and the kishmish is swollen. You can observe that in the particular diagram. In the first case it is dry kishmish, and in the second case it is swollen because of the water being absorbed into it. So the outer layer of the kishmish will act as a plasma membrane, permeable membrane. And after doing this, you can do another activity wherein you take the swollen kishmish and put it in a sugar solution which is highly concentrated. Highly concentrated means which has large amount of solute sugar in it. And after certain amount of time, the kishmish will again reduce its size because the concentration of the sugar solution is high, whereas the concentration of the kishmish with less amount of sugar, as it has a bit less amount of sugar, so the water will move again from the swollen kishmish to the high sugar solution, high concentrated sugar solution. The process of osmosis can be explained with the help of two experiments. So in the textbook there are two experiments with respect to osmosis. One is with potato, the other one is with kishmish. So the procedure to be followed to do any lab activity or experiment is, first you should have an aim, material required, procedure and the result. So I will explain you what happens with respect to the two experiment. In the diagram you can see that there is a square block. The square block is being made up of a potato. The potato is being cut in such a shape. In the potato we will add certain amount of sugar solution. Sugar solution, you know that it is high concentration. The solvent, that is water with sugar, is high concentration, plain water is low concentration. So sugar solution is being added to the potato block,